Ever thought you were getting a sweet deal on Adobe Creative Cloud, but ended up on the wrong side of the law? Let's dive into the murky world of resekking, or using unauthorized versions of Adobe Creative Cloud, and why it's a very bad idea. We're talking about cracking software, which is basically bypassing the legitimate payment methods to illegally gain access to licensed software. At its core, using cracked software is a direct violation of copyright law. Adobe, like any software developer, owns the intellectual property of their programs. When you use a cracked version, you're not respecting their ownership or the hours spent creating these complex applications. Think of it like stealing a book from a bookstore. You're taking something without paying for it. The legal risks are significant. Adobe and other companies aggressively pursue copyright infringement cases. If caught using or distributing cracked software, you could face hefty fines and even lawsuits. This can lead to serious financial and reputational damage. Beyond the legal trouble, cracked software is a tech nightmare waiting to happen. Often, downloaded software comes bundled with malware, viruses, and ransomware. These malicious programs can steal your data, corrupt your files, and compromise your entire system. Is saving a few bucks really worth losing everything? Consider the ethical side of things. When you support this illegal activity, it hurts the creators and developers who work tirelessly to bring you these powerful tools. Pay for software to support creators. There are legitimate, affordable ways to access Adobe Creative Cloud. Explore subscription plans, student discounts, and free trials. There are options to avoid the legal risk of pirated software. Ultimately, the price you pay for a legitimate version is far less than the potential costs of dealing with the consequences while legally obtaining software. So respect copyright and protect yourself.